Right, today I'll be installing the articulated light system with bracket onto the KME sharpening system. Firstly, to start with, you will need the fine-tuning adapter type external frame that Gritomatic sells, because the top of the frame is used for the bracket for the articulated light system. Very nice external frame, fine-tuning, stone thickness compensator, and a platform for the for your angle gauge. Also has a little parking hook to install your stone sharpening rod. So let's just remove the stone rod for now. Take the original nut off. Put that aside. Install the bracket. Snug it up. And now you have the bracket with a threaded insert for the articulating arm system. This articulated arm has a normal regular camera cold shoe mount. You can install a camera on there, lights on there, or anything with a cold shoe mount. We have a long version, thumb screws to adjust positioning, lock it in, thumb screws, twisting position, lock that in position, thumb screws for the actual light head itself, and for the position of the light to lock everything into position. Just for ease of the video, I'll be using a short little mount today. The short mount also works better on small sharpening systems like the KME system. So let's just thread the bar into the holder. Don't have to thread it down all the way, because you'll want it in a specific position depending on where you want the light. Let's put a small light on first. Lock the small light in position. Let's see, we want it approximately there somewhere. So now I'll lock the little thumb nut down here. That's locked in. Put this in position where I want it. Lock that in. And turn on the light. Now you have a little light to have a look at what you're doing while you're sharpening. Turn that light off. Install a slightly bigger light. Pop it in position. Position it. Lock it where I want it. Turn it on. And there's the light system for your KME.